Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in my previous video, I have shown you a skin retouching method and the method is very simple. So in this video, once again, I'm going to show you a different method of skin retouching. This is also a very simple method. So you can compare the two methods and you can choose whichever method you find easy. So let's get started. So I have chosen the same image that I used in the previous video. I will also provide the link of the previous video in my description of this video. And now I have chosen the same raw image. As you can see, I will zoom it a little bit. And now to begin with, we can begin with by duplicating this particular image by pressing Ctrl J, or if you are using Mac, press Command J. So we will get a duplicate layer. Now convert this to a smart object so that we can always whatever values that we apply in this particular layer, so we should be able to change those values once we convert this layer into a smart object. So don't forget to convert the layer into a smart object. Now change the blending option to vivid light. Now go to image, adjustment, invert. Now go to filter, other, and high pass, and increase the radius up to the point that the image starts looking blurry like this. And we can always change the value because we are applying this particular effect to a smart object. So we can always, if we are not happy with the value, we can always change the value. So I'm going to keep it to this value and I'm going to press OK. And remember, the value differs according to the image, so different value for different images. So press OK. Now once again go to filter, blur, and this time Gaussian blur, and I will zoom this image a little bit more so that you can see clearly. If I reduce the value of Gaussian blur, you will get this result like this. So I'm not happy with the high pass value, so I will increase the value a little bit more, high pass, like this. So this looks good to me. Okay, this is the benefit of smart object, converting the layer to smart object. Now again filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now it is looking much better. If I take it to the left, it will get blurry. If I take it to the right, radius that is, it will show more details in the image. So whenever you feel happy, stop at that point. So I'm happy with this value right here. I'm happy with this value because I'm getting texture as well as I'm getting pretty good result. So I'll stop here, maybe a little bit to the right, maybe 9. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, now as we have applied this effect to entire image, but we don't want the effect on the entire image, we only want this on the skin. So again we need to create a layer mask. So instead of creating a layer mask and again applying black color to hide the layer mask, we can simply press and hold Alt key or Option key if you are using Mac and click on the layer mask button like this. So it will automatically hide the layer. Remember, black color conceals and white color reveals on the layer mask. So again choose brush tool and choose a soft round brush to get better result, and draw it on the skin area that you want to show. As we have already selected white color, it will reveal the area below this layer. That's why I said white reveals and black conceals. So we are already getting a very good result. And again, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can always change the values of high pass and Gaussian blur. We don't need to change the value of invert because it doesn't have any value. It is only a value, or it is only an effect, invert. So I'm already getting a very good result. I will zoom it a little bit more so that you can see the change. So this is after. So this is before, we'll click. So this is before and this is after. So this is looking pretty good to me. So this is the second method using which we can do skin retouching, and both the methods are equally effective in my opinion. So you can choose whichever method you find easy. So this is the second method. Do try this. It's a very easy method to follow. Apply it on different images, and remember, different images will have different values, but do try this. It's very fun to use this method as it is very easy and the results are very good. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers. And before I go, remember to like this video. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Adios.